What's up? It's your boy Noodle Nick. Today we have something a little bit different. We have a drone. I've never reviewed a drone before. This will be my first one. It's an 8K drone and it's supposed to have like some sort of self-tracking. It's supposed to just like follow me around or something without any sort of control. They said it's world's first 8K drone under $1,000. So budget option if you need really high quality drone footage and you know, you don't have over $1,000 and this is probably the one you're looking for. This is the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max. Oh, it's so shiny in there. Hold on. Look at that. Hover. What is in here? I think they said this was a controller, but then they said you don't need a controller, so I'm not sure what level of control you get. Okay, we get a beacon and joystick bundle. This looks like it straps onto my phone. Is there an app perhaps? We're gonna have to figure that out. And then we also get a magnetic clip, and then you get a tiny little magnetic adapter mount. That's what we get in that little extra box. And I want to go ahead and check out the main package here. I'm gonna go for it. I'm just gonna go for it. Little magnet box. Oh, dude, they are not messing around. Whoa! Oh, it's got a carrying case. Everything that I've ever been excited about in a tech review, they have it. Oh, look at how small the case is. Dude. Oh, yes. Look at that. You could fit that in a backpack, no problem. You could literally take this anywhere. I feel like the one problem with drones is like, how do I carry around this massive helicopter without people asking questions? Okay, it's got some extra stuff in here. Take a look at that. Dude. Okay, I'm getting hype. I'm getting hype. I'm getting excited. I don't get excited very often, guys, but I am very excited right now. Okay, so we have a Type-C cable. Wow. We have a bunch of whoa, whoa, what? Are these stickers? Whoa, oh, no way. You get to pick your style or what? Oh, there's another one. Okay, I think it's 3 of the same thing and then one of these. What? Oh, we're gonna be customizing the heck out of this bad boy. And then we have a quick start guide. We got a little carrying kit. Is this really how big the drone is? That's crazy. What is this? What is this? Is this just for like I don't know. I will be flying this covert through my neighborhood illegally. Just kidding. A simple hem frame. Try to tear it or break it. It's HOVERAir's proprietary advanced material used throughout the entire body of your X1 Pro Max for unmatched durability and elasticity. It says try to tear it or break it. I mean, hey, you know, if I'm being honest, that's not bad. Like, I'm flexing that a lot. Still pretty flat. I literally can't throw this. It's made of nothing. There's no way that I could throw this as hard as I want, but it's plastic. It's not gonna. Okay, one more good throw. As hard as I can. Nothing, dude. Okay, now enough clickbaiting. I'm just gonna open it. See what it look like. See what this thing look like. There it is. What is this? Is this it? Is this how they deliver my Amazon packages? How does this work? I'm scared to break it. Whoa. Whoa. Blades engaged. Oh, there's no way I'm not gonna break this thing. I'm so scared to break this. It said it can't break. I mean, true, if this landed on the wings or whatever, like this part, it wouldn't break. I mean, I'm sure that because it's expensive, they've made it durable enough to survive at least one fall. This is literally like, this right here, that's like real. Those are on real helicopters, just like that. Same thing. That's insane. What is this doing on a drone? I don't know, I'm distracted. It's too cool. Okay, let's just set that down gently. Okay, then we have a battery charger. This appears to be a spare battery. That's nice. And it's got gold on it. That's how you know it's fancy. 1920 mAh. That's not bad. That's like half a keyboard battery in here. That's pretty good. 65 watt Type-C block. Branded little hover. Lovely. Legit. This is for the drone. That's insane. I can't believe that fits in there. All right, we got a few more things here. Let's take a look at this. Does this also come in a little case? They thought of everything. They thought of everything. Let's go. Oh, and it's leather, just like the other one. It's leather, it's got a little strap. It's got that nice high quality zipper that's like hidden away from dust, you know, because dust get in there, not good for zipper. Oh, what is all this? What is this? Do I have to assemble it? Because I'll do it. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, we got a screen in the middle like this way. And then we have this thing like here. And then we have one of these like here. And then we have to put our little, I guess we get a couple different options of our couple different joysticks here. I'm thinking probably this one. Put that in there. Hope I'm doing this right. Put that in there. Boom. Now we got 2 joystick, left and right. And then we got a couple extra ones in case I don't like that one. We got a little lanyard. Nice. We have a couple of different angled Type-C to Lightning and then a Type-C to Type-C. They're all 90 degrees. We got a little cloth to wipe the screen. Sick. And a charging cable for this thing. Goes... I think I just have to charge this part because this part has the pin sticking out. Yeah. So you just charge this part, take it off, and reconnect. It's not too bad. It just takes it's a bit of a learning curve, but not too hard. If I can do it, you guys can do it. That's basically the point of my whole channel. Okay, now we have a magnetic adapter mount. And there we are. That's nice. So you can put that on the end of a tripod, and then you have your little magnet. Okay, we got another magnetic clip. Boom. Boom. Oh, wait, there it is. That's how you put your phone in there. Notch your phone right up in there, man. Just watch out for those joysticks. And there you go. You got your little controller. Boom, boom, boom. Got a little screen. Okay, so I wanted to talk a little bit more about the drone. It's got some pretty crazy specs. So it's got up to 42 kilometers per hour following speed. So I guess it could follow a certain target depending on what you, yourself or maybe a vehicle or something, as long as it can go up to 42 kilometers per hour. Yeah, it's got advanced AI algorithm basically to be able to detect what a human being is, who you are, and be able to follow you. Kind of how AI tracking webcams sort of work. It's basically the same sort of deal. It's also got OmniTerrain, so it can go through snow, cliffs, and low light environments. It's got a 4K 120 FPS slow motion in case you want to do slow-mo shots. It's pocket sized and foldable. It's got intuitive controls. It's got palm takeoff. That means it's ready to shoot in under 3 seconds with either a touch or a voice command. The Pro Max has 64 gigabytes of storage, and the Pro has 32 gigabytes of storage, so that's pretty good on board. I wasn't expecting that. I thought I'd have to load in an SD card, so that's kind of nice. It's got 10 customizable flight modes, and it's controllable through the Hover app, which I'll show you guys later. And it does horizontal and vertical shooting. It does 8K 30 FPS. It also does, like I said, 4K 120 slow-mo. It's also got additional vision-based rear collision detection. It's lightweight, so it's 192.5 grams. The distance for this one with the app is 500 meters, and with the controller it's up to 1 kilometer. And it's got a flight time of about 16 minutes. So that's a little bit about the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max drone. I'm gonna go ahead and familiarize myself with it a little bit and try and get the controller working and stuff, and then I'll show you guys how it works, and maybe we'll take it out on a cool flight somewhere and get some cool footage. So I'll see you guys in a second. Somewhere cool, maybe. I don't know. What's up? It's your boy. We're here at Botanical Garden, and we're gonna take the drone out. I got Japanese tea garden over there, so I'm just gonna have it follow me. I've been paying attention to the drone. I learned as much about it as I possibly could. It has a bunch of really cool, fun modes, so we're gonna test them out here at some place a little more beautiful than my backyard. So let's go ahead and follow me into the Japanese tea garden. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. I just have to hit one button. It's already in follow mode, so just go ahead and hit that.
Middle, follow.
And then it'll just go.
It's recording?
It just records every time it flies. Hey, don't hit anything, please. That's it, that's the end. Come on, baby. Pull it through. Okay, come on. Come on. All right. Yeah, that was really fun. Follow mode. It used 10% battery. It's got like a 16-minute full runtime, but you know, you can get most of what you need. It also comes with a hot swappable battery, so you can charge 2 and just pull this out and replace it. It's got this little screen that just, see how it auto adjusts and just follows you. So it's just tracking me the whole time, and I was just running through, and it just, like, not thought it was gonna like hit a tree or something, but it was good, dude. Okay, that's pretty cool, man. It's got a bunch of different modes too, so we're gonna try a couple different ones too, but that's the follow mode. You just hit one button, and you just let it float, and then it'll follow you wherever you go till it'll run out of battery. And then you can just reach your hand out right underneath it, and it'll just land on your hand. You don't have to do it. I didn't even have to use my phone at all. I was just raw drone. That's so sick, dude. I don't know, I'm a huge fan of this thing. All right, let's try the other modes. Okay, now we're gonna do a zoom out mode real quick. Pretty cool area, let's do it. Use zoom out mode.
Zoom out.
So now it's switched to zoom out mode. I'm just gonna hit the one button.
5 feet. Zoom out.
It's gonna do a 5-foot zoom out. Bye. Bye-bye. It didn't go very far, did it? Come back. Come on. Come. Come. What's up? It's your boy. So we're here. It's Noodle Nick. Did you forget? We're here. This is where I live. This is my city. Welcome to my city. This is one of the first settlers' houses in the city that I live in. This very old. Like I said, one of the first houses of the first settlers that ever came to this area. It's now a massive city. Yeah, so it's a massive city now, but this is where it all begun. So I figured I'd come here and get a little footage, show some love and some respect to the people that used to be here. Anyways, so I want to do the orbit mode in here and just kind of show you guys a little bit. It'll just follow me around like an orbit path. And then we'll do a manual mode as well because it has controls, a little controller, so not necessary. You can do everything from the app, but you can also control it manually. This house is a bit slanted, so apologies for the level, but we got it set to orbit, so I'm just gonna stand in the middle, hope it doesn't hit any walls. Just gonna hit the button.
5 feet.
5 feet's kind of sketch. Hey, it's doing it. Is it hitting the wall? It's not hitting the wall. Oh, that's huge. Hey, all right. Come back, buddy. Come here, buddy. All right. So that was orbit mode. All right, so here's the manual controller. Like I said, here's a little screen. You can start recording here too if you want. These are your controls, and then you can connect your phone here if you want. I'm using it without the phone. Personally, I just like the little camera that it provides. That's good enough for me. And these are quick disconnects. They just pop right off, and they just pack away into this super tiny case. That's what I love about this thing most, is that it's very portable. I had to carry this. As you can see, I had to bring all this equipment with me today. We had to walk around with it. And it was awesome. It's such a tiny little case to fit in there, no problem. The biggest problem fitting in my backpack was the camera and stuff, not this. It was very small, you could take it with you. For a drone, you know, what you really want is portability. I think you really got that with this, because like the case is just awesome. Now that I've introduced you to this part a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and manually fly, and that'll probably finish us up for the day. Okay, so we're just gonna take it down slow, and then we're just gonna go, baby. Go backwards. As far as we can go, we're just gonna keep going.
Sunshine on my mind, we're burning through the city of lights. You're the sunshine on my mind.
That was the hover drone. That was one of the, I mean, I've never tried a drone before, but I was able to figure it out. I got some really cool footage for you guys. It's small, compact, portable. It's definitely a blast. The controller's really fun. Like I said, it's not necessary really. You could just do a lot of the stuff pre-controlled and never have to control anything. That was kind of scary because I was worried I would drop it into the lake and lose all my footage. That wouldn't be very good. But overall, it handled weather really well, it handled wind, it handled the cold. It was pretty chilly today. And overall, I think it did a really great job. It was just a lot of fun. So I hope to see you guys in the next tech review, and hope you enjoyed coming along with me today for something a little bit different. And I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Thanks, Hover. Make sure to click the link in the description to get yours today. Bye-bye.